Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by the x. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, we change the sign of this one. Next, we want to transform this one into homogeneous. So I will put about s equal to v plus a, y equals to t plus b, and we know that a and b are constants. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, that is about v, so we have number 1 in here. That's why we just put like this. Now we do similar for the second one. Next, we have dy over dx. We can put into dy over dz over ds over dz. And this one, that is about this one. And ds, that is about this one. And now we got dt over dv. So I will put this one going here. S we change by this one. Y we change by this one. Now we need to expand. So to become homogeneous, the constants should be equals to number 0. So that means a minus 2b plus 5 equals to number 0. Negative 2a plus b minus number 4 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 2. So we put a and b going here. So if we simplify, you got like this. So we just have only v and t. Now they are derived number 1. So that is about homogeneous. So I will put about t equals to v3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have number 1. And so we have 3. First derivative of 3, we have dt over dv multiplied by v. So this is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one going here. This one will change by t. So we have v, 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 and v. We simplify. So I will put 3 go to the left. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, we have negative 2g plus 3 to the power of 2. So negative will change the sign of this one. So negative 2g plus 2g, they will cancel. And negative g squared I will put in here. Next, I will put the v and v go to the left. This one go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So, this one, that is about identity. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over 1 minus g, capital B over 1 plus g. Next, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about 1 plus g. The next one, that's about 1 minus g. Now, we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of g. Now we need to compare coefficients. About g, we have positive number 1 in here. So a minus b equals to number 1. This one equals to negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So we find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to 3 over 2, b equals to 1 over 2. And now we put a and b going here. So I will put a equals to 3 over 2, b equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the answer in here. So we go back in here. Oh, sorry, negative number 2. I made a mistake. So this one should be about negative 1 over 2. This one is about negative number 3 over 2. This one is about positive 1 over 2. This one should be about negative number 3 over 2. Now, we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of v. And I will put about sin here. Next, about g, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by v. And now we need to change g into this one. So about t and v, that is about this one. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left, number 2 go to the left. About v, that is about this one. About t, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.